In this video, we are going to be going over the reviews section for your listing on Foodie Finder. So I'm at the dashboard. You can see it right here on the screen. If you do not know how to access the dashboard, please go back and watch the video about logging in. It will walk you step by step how to access your dashboard. So from here, you can see that it has defaulted on the listing for our dummy one that we're using, Tammy's Cafe. And what you see right here in the center of the screen, we scroll down just a little bit and you see a review section. And we have put a review in here so we can go through it. So this review, it tells you the title, it tells you the date it was submitted, and they gave a 5-star rating. And you can see here that it is waiting for site manager approval. We make sure that a Foodie Finder team member approves ratings and reviews. We want to avoid spam, and we want to make sure that the content that is on Foodie Finder's website is to the highest standards. And that is why it goes through a review process. But as a lister on Foodie Finder, one of the great things about reviews is you'll see over here on the right-hand side, you can reply to it. And we encourage you to make sure you stay engaged with your customers or potential customers to make sure that they get a response from you. They see you're active. And this isn't just shown to the person who wrote this review. It's actually public for someone that goes to your listing on Foodie Finder's website. So let's click on the reply button. Okay, and a box pops up that says right here, write your review. And we will just put, thanks, Tammy, for your feedback. We hope to see you again soon. Okay, and then I'm going to click the submit button, the red button right here at the bottom. And you'll see a green bar that says you've replied successfully. Okay, so now let's go in and take a look at what that actually looks like on the listing. So we're going to click the preview link right here under the listing, Tammy's Cafe. And you're going to see when the page loads that it displays the actual listing for Tammy's Cafe. So you can get to the reviews section here at this bar where there's overview, photos, reviews. You can also keep scrolling down and it shows you the reviews section. Here you will see the original review as well as the reply that was made. You will also see that this prompts people to write a review about your business. Again, let's scroll back to the top, and if you click the reviews tab that I mentioned, you will see that that is just a list of the reviews. So that is how it's displayed. When you come back to your dashboard, as you get more reviews, you will see them here in your dashboard panel. Again, we highly recommend that you hit the reply button to stay engaged with your customers.